Beats Play.
Let's go with this. I seen this girl walking up the block. For a moment my heart stopped. I couldn't get a breath to cop. Not normal of me, cause I'm smoother than honey. This girl right here got me ready to spend all my money. Cute in the face, walking with grace. Sexiness, not just coming from her waist. Her thighs, lips, eyes, hips, I'm sprung. This girl didn't even strip. She's getting closer, body shape roller coaster. If I mess this up, it's game over. She's looking at me, saw me staring at her. My confidence is gone, this never occurred. But I said, excuse me, can I get your name? I find you attractive and I hope you feel the same. She smiled and said, what a shame. I do got a man, but here's my name. I got this lovely neighbor, for her I do special favors. In return, no kiss to save her. Only to talk to her now, dream of her later. Of me knocking her screws loose on the elevator. Kept it on the rail, expressed deeply how I feel. But still, I got that, no deal. She see me as a brother, not a sexual lover that would make her melt under the cover. Instead, her heart is broken by other, and I'm here playing father. Why bother? She gets undressed in front of me. Bra and panties, be Victoria's Secrets I see. Lord have mercy on me. I want to let you go, but I can't. I keep hoping my seed will grow into a plant, waiting for the opportunity, one chance to give you the definition of real romance.